Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing very well. Today gonna share how to make Andra style spicy mutton masala that you can have it as a curry with plain rice or as a side dish with roti, naan or paratha. Hope you like it. Keep watching. For making mutton masala, here I have taken 1 kg of mutton with bone which I have cleaned and washed. We're going to do the marination first. For this, we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Add salt as per taste. Add half cup of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Mix well until all masala gets very well coated in each pieces. Marination makes mutton juicy and tender. I had already posted several mutton recipes on my channel. We'll share the link, you may have a look. Now we're going to cover and marinate it for around 15 to 20 minutes or at least half an hour. After the marination, we're going to pre-cook the mutton first. So into a pressure cooker, add in the marinated pieces. Rinse and add little water. And then cover and pressure cook until mutton is well cooked. Cooking time varies as it depends on each pressure cooker and how tender the meat is. Mine took around 7 to 8 whistles. And once pressure releases, you can check. And here you can see my meat is completely cooked. This pre-cooking will speed up the cooking process. You can see here how well the meat is cooked. Now let's proceed in preparing the masala. Now into a heated clay pot, add oil around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then to this we're going to add 1 bay leaf, 2 to 3 cloves, 3 to 4 cardamoms and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Allow it to splutter. Give a mix. And then to this we're going to add sliced onions. So here I've added 4 large onions that's thinly sliced. Saute the onions until they turn really soft and slightly turn golden in color. Onions have turned soft now. Now to this we're going to add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until raw smell goes. Now to this we're going to add slitted green chilies. So here I'm adding around 5 to 6. Since it's spicy masala, adding more chilies you may adjust according to your taste. Now to this going to add 4 medium-sized tomatoes sliced. Saute for a few minutes until it turns soft. At this stage I also added salt as required to speed up the cooking process. And then to this we're going to add the spices. So adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or zira powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give a mix and allow the spices to cook. Now throughout the cooking process I have kept the flame on medium. Allow the tomatoes and the spices to cook well. Meanwhile, add a teaspoon of fennel powder too and give a good mix. You can see the masalas are cooked well now. Give a mix. And to this we're going to add few curry leaves and handful of mint and coriander leaves. Mix and saute it well. As the masala is ready now, it's time to adjust the consistency. So here I'm adding around half glass of warm water to adjust the consistency and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes more. And you can see here spicy masala is ready. Give a good mix. And to this we're going to add the cooked mutton pieces now. So add in the mutton pieces along with its stock and give a good mix. Now we're going to allow it to simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. And after 5 to 10 minutes you can see spicy mutton masala is absolutely ready. See how tempting this looks? Once you see the traces of oil, the mutton masala is absolutely ready. You can garnish it with some coriander leaves and enjoy it with steamed rice, roti, naan or paratha. And enjoy this extremely delicious spicy dish with your family and friends. Hope you like this easy recipe. Then do give a thumbs up and stay connected with Nisha Thaju. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.